The Orton effect is a technique that was developed by Orton in 1980s and remained one of the most popular post-processing technique for the landscape photography today. While the technique has evolved since the first appearance, the core concept remains the same. Create a dreamlike glow to an image. Today I am going to show you how to create Orton effect in Photoshop. I have already done some basic adjustment here, so now we will start the process. The first thing is you need to create a stamp visible layer, then convert it into a smart filter. Once that is done, go to filter again, choose the blur and the Gaussian blur. I always prefer to use the camera focal length that I have used to capture this image, so that's why I input 24 here. Here I am opening this image in the camera raw filter to adjust the brightness and the contrast level. If you don't have camera raw filter, you can achieve the same effect from brightness contrast adjustment layer in Photoshop itself. Increase brightness and the contrast as per your taste. Here you can see the before and after, whatever the changes I have done based on that. And if you are satisfied with your changes, just click on OK and go back to the Photoshop. We will do the rest of the stuff there in Photoshop itself. So the next thing is I'm going to create a luminosity mask just to affect the brightest pixel in my image. So for that I am using Lumensia, which is a very beautiful tool and very easy to create the luminosity mask. As I only need the brightest pixel to be selected, so that's why I just click on L and it will do the rest of the stuff for me, and then I need to create on the mask button. So once done, you can see it is now only affecting my brightest pixel. It still looks very odd, but we can control it through the opacity. So first thing is you need to take it down to the 0, and then you can adjust it as per your taste. I personally don't prefer to go beyond 20, so always I try to keep it between 10 to 20. I'll personally suggest to take a break at this point and come back after a short break. If you still feel it is too much, then you can increase and decrease the opacity accordingly. Thank you for watching.